Hey, what it do, y'all? It's your boy, P&W SuperCars with Sir Smack, ya dig? So, everybody's wondering why I haven't been uploading. I don't have the Porsche anymore. And to this day, I still miss that car. I peeped the Avance plate here, but I sold it. Yeah, I got a new job too, and so I'm still in college, and my new quarter began. So now we're here, and I'm happy. I'm glad that I got a new car. And so if we look at the ownership costs of an average 986, right? So mine had a check engine light, and that was an O2 sensor. As long as that car drove from point A to point B, we're good. We're set. I did my 4,000 mile oil changes. I poured when I had the MOS2 from Liquid Moly, when that was completely out of the engine, you know, I switched to Ceratec. You know, that lasts for a huge amount of miles. For my 1 year of ownership, and this is excluding gas, the 986 had a small fuel leak. It was there. It's not like you could smell it, but you know, since I switched to the Shell, the V Premium, it got rid of that smell, so the car was happy. But I kept spending gas almost every week, and that's just I'm not sure if that's, you know, normal for a 986. And a research about it, but I doubt it's normal, spending, you know, a full tank of gas every week. So for 1 year of ownership of that car, excluding gas, I spent $3,242.24. Now with this new vehicle I have, in 21 days, right, excluding gas, I've already spent $3,306.67 in parts and labor, and I'm happy about that because I'm not fueling up my vehicle every week, especially in this stage of my life where it's just going to be sitting a lot. When I owned the 986, it needed to be driven. It needed a different owner where they would actually drive it. So although that was my daily driver, you know, my day consists of stop and go and groceries and point A to point B, right? And it's not good for the 986 to be just sitting, you know, without it actually being driven hard. So it's not like I didn't drive it hard and exercise it, which I did plenty of times. It would be better for a different owner who would, you know, really put their money and time into it. In this case, with my new vehicle, this is just the more perfect and practical car for me. Y'all know what I'm saying? Thank you for listening to my TED Talk, and I appreciate you all watching this video. Keep watching though, because things are about to get crazy.